Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your DOOGEE S80, at the first you have to use Ampere application, so you are able to get it from the Play Store. As you can see, we have to get this application from the Braintrap developer, and if you finish download, you can simply open it. Next, slide on the right side, and as you can see in this place, we can find the temperature of our battery. We can find here also other data like capacity, model or Android version. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.